What is total productive maintenance? Total productive maintenance, or TPM, is a strategy that operates according to the idea that everyone in a facility should participate in maintenance, rather than just the maintenance team. This approach uses the skills of all employees and seeks to incorporate maintenance into the everyday performance of a facility. The beginning of a total productive maintenance program will focus on establishing and developing an autonomous maintenance plan. This frees up the maintenance staff to begin larger projects and perform more planned maintenance.